So here's a little pond that I dug. It's about 25 feet across, about 3.5 feet deep right there. And the water comes in this way and basically fills up here, goes up about a foot, and then goes over my road there. Now, this property is mostly sandy loam. And on the last video, I brought some of this soil in, which was supposed to be clay, and there's really about 20% clay in there. And I went ahead and threw it in there, and I put about a half a yard of clay that I got from a buddy of mine. And I never got a chance to, you know, even it out or compact it. Alright guys, so we're almost at the tractor. It's about 1,400 feet away. And I also ordered a submersible pump last night. I believe it's a 3-inch pump, 24 volts. And I'm gonna run it off my solar panels. I got 4 solar panels, which is about twice or 2.5 times the power that I need for it. And I believe it has about 400 or 500 gallons an hour. It ain't much, but should keep things, you know, pretty much topped off. Cleared a section here so the water can flow freely instead of having a bump there and having the water stay over there. So I cleared all this path here, and then the water is going to actually go through here and go down to the pond. As you can see, I don't have any clay in there yet. Here's some of the clay I just finished unloading. It's 1.5 yards. I got some in the buckets there, and I got this just for testing in a small hole to see if it'll retain water. But for this section here, I'm gonna need about at least 90 yards. You know, I'll probably go about 100. And I'm still gonna cut this little section out here, extend to maybe another 20 feet and make the center a bit deeper there. At least be about 5 or 6 feet deep instead of a 3.5. But that's what I got so far. Like I said, I'm using the front loader of a Kubota L2501, and it's a small tractor, but I think I'm really abusing it. I was able to use the tiller on here to loosen some material up. Still got to move that pile of dirt there and cut this section out. And then I was thinking about putting a small culvert here and have a kind of like an overspill into this smaller hole here. And one of the main reasons is this wall is very steep. It's just vertical. There's no slope to it, and it's too close to the road there. So maybe I'll let it fill up there, and who knows, maybe later down the road I'll cover it up or something. And we need to trim the tree and get all this trash out of here. Alright guys, I got 6 buckets down. These are about 0.8 or 0.9 cubic feet. And the material here is it's a bit wet. It's a lot finer. And that is going to work good for the pond sealing. Sorry about that, dig's a bit better. And this is 9 buckets. This should be about 1/3 of a yard if we're correct. A yard has 27 cubic feet. Here's a close-up of the material. You got the gray and that orange color there, tan.